Here we presents the top 5 best dehumidifiers. Starting at number 5, Boskins Small Dehumidifier. AUZKIN has a structure that prevents mold growth in small bathrooms. Because it is small, he can help you without taking up too much space. While it cools your bathroom, it can clean it by removing the smell of dampness. We can say that it is not a heavy dehumidifier because it only weighs 3.34 kilograms. This easy-to-carry dehumidifier for the bathroom alerts you with a red signal when the tank is full. The smart LED light design of this dehumidifier can spice up your bathrooms. Being able to remove the water tank has a 350 AUZ capacity that helps you save your energy by minimizing the frequency of discharging the product. Imagine feeling refreshed just by feeling the scent of your shower gel while taking a shower in your bathroom. Or that you were suffocated by moisture and never felt clean. The choice is entirely yours. After balancing the humidity in your bathrooms, you may want to use a dehumidifier in your other living spaces, where you don't need a new one for this. Another silent and easy-to-carry dehumidifier are AUZKIN. So, where can you place it? You can put it in your dressing rooms to eliminate the feeling of wet clothing due to moisture, living rooms to spend time comfortably, workplaces where you can work without a headache, and even your bedrooms to rest peacefully. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. At number 4, ProBreeze Electric. This ProBreeze 1500 square feet dehumidifier is user-friendly. It has a LED light that shows the water level in its reservoir. With its 52 ounces chamber capacity, you can purify all your rooms from mold, moisture, and allergens. We call it all rooms because this dehumidifier has a portable design. If you need a larger version of the same brand, you can access the 2200 cubic feet product from ProBreeze Larger on Amazon. On the other hand, this dehumidifier has an auto shut-off option. When the inner chamber is full, the dehumidifier stops working immediately. So you do not have an overflow problem. Peltier technology is one of the features of the dehumidifier. It means cooling your hot device. You do not encounter any explosion or burning problem in interior design. Thanks to the ProBreeze removable reservoir, you can quickly evacuate the mold and bacteria trapped inside. After emptying the hopper, just plug it back in will be enough to start the dehumidifier. When you are done, breathing in the fresh air will be a factor that will make you feel healthier. If you want a more efficient result, it is better to position your dehumidifier in areas with high temperatures. It will be possible to get rid of all moisture, especially at 59 to 89 degrees. Bathrooms are ideal, but not the only places for this dehumidifier. You can quickly move and use it in your garages, workplaces, and rooms. Halfway of my listed number 3, MIDEA MAD35C1ZWS. This dehumidifier is among the best-selling devices in many parts of the world. M1D, which will surpass ProBreeze with its 40-pint structure, is a dehumidifier suitable for use up to 3,000 square feet. Energy efficiency is high with the assurance of its Energy Star certificate. So you don't need another dehumidifier. The MIDEA dehumidifier has a touch panel and standard customization settings. Like the Walker product, you can set this product to turn off after 24 hours of dehumidification. The automatic restart function protects the MIDEA dehumidifier in case of disconnection from the power for any reason. It continues from where it left off to prevent losses to be incurred. It cleans your air by trapping mold or bacteria, allergens, or moisture in it. This dehumidifier makes it easy for you to maintain, thanks to its automatic defrost feature. There is a warning panel that informs you when it's time to clean the filter. Thus, you can prevent it from releasing the trapped moisture. On the other hand, you may need a hose to drain the full water tank. Hoses are not expensive accessories, although this requires additional purchase. As a result, MIDEA is suitable for users who want to dominate moisture and mold in large areas. The dehumidification performance in your home can affect you in long-term use. MIDEA, which is one of the rare dehumidifiers with large capacity that you can choose in your living spaces, guarantees your devices a 1-year parts and labor warranty with its worldwide warranty. For more information and price, check out the product links in description. Coming in at number 2, hOmeLabs 4500 SQ. Fort. This dehumidifier boasts of a water tank of 1.8 gallons, which allows you to remove the moisture of almost 50 pints from the air daily. It happens to be the best option for larger homes, almost 4,500 SQ. feet as well as for wet spaces. It is well preferred by the end user owing to the ready-made wheels and handles, which make maneuvering the product a breeze. The manufacturer provides a warranty of 2 years, and hence you do not need to worry about replacing the product anytime soon. You can control the moisture setting and allow it to run for 24 hours continuously till the tank is full. It will shut off automatically once the tank is filled. The drain hose outlet of this product ensures consistent draining. It is effective in the removal of bacteria from the humid air, with the aid of the ready-made pump compressor. And number 1. Honeywell TP50WKN. This powerful dehumidifier is crucial in the removal of moisture effectively, thereby protecting the furniture, curtains, walls, from mildew and mold. It is known to reduce the moisture present in the air, and thus, you can maintain the freshness of food for a prolonged period. As you install the product in the entertainment and gym room, it is beneficial in reducing corrosion, rust, and mold on the electronic equipment. The filter clean alert and full tank alert makes maintenance of the product a breeze. It also includes the splash guards, which are useful in avoiding any sort of messy spill. It also comes with a drain tube, which ensures long operation for a longer period. Moreover, the smart digital controls of this product ensure smooth and effortless operation. Also, the front mirage display of this product allows you to monitor the changes in humidity across the room. It possesses the digital humidistat control, which aids in the activation of dehumidification, according to the conditions of preset room conditions. Other prominent features of this product are auto restart, low temperature operation, sleep mode, and energy saving timer. I have included these product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.